Hi, and welcome back to my vegetable garden. Apologies for the hat, gardening people. Thank you very much, Kate, of Kate's Garden. Little gift. So today, I want to talk about the crop that won't stop. The crop that won't stop is this. It's kale. And actually, I could be harvesting kale right now. I've got 3 rows of it here. I've got Russian kale, I got curly kale, I got purple kale, red kale. I got all kinds of kale. And you're thinking, wow, that's fantastic. I love kale. Maybe you are, maybe you're not. My friend Rudy would be preparing a kale smoothie every morning for breakfast. And I look at Rudy, and he's strong like a bull, and he's built like a rake. And I think, I don't need that. I'm happy with me just the way I am. So the kale that I grow, and by the way, why is it the crop that won't stop? Because you start to pick it now. Here, we'll just have a little pick here. Look at that. You start to pick it now, which is about as early in the season as you can pick anything except maybe leafy greens like lettuce. And you'll continue to pick this right through the frost of fall. It's a 5 to 6 month crop. Now, Canadians don't get that with anything else, but kale you will. You pick the bottom leaves like you would tobacco, if you know how that works, and you just eat, go crazy. Me, I throw this stuff to my chickens. I let them go crazy, and then in the morning, I have 2 or 3 fresh eggs, and that's how I get my kale. And that's why I look the way I do. Mark Cullen, markcullen.com with Ben Cullen, the crop that won't stop. Kale, plant some now. Why not? Even if you don't eat it, you'll have something that lasts almost forever, and you can tell all your buddies about it.